Morning, family. Ham's Loft. Assalamu alaikum. It's, well, let's find out. It's 8:42 in the morning, 82 degrees. I'm at my favorite tall spot. This is 35 miles from my house. It sits on a little hill. It's actually the back of a steakhouse. It don't open until noon, so it's nothing going on. It's high. It's a fence right there, but the level is higher than the fence, so the birds normally fly right over top of it. It's near the interstate, which that's 40, Interstate 40 going west. That's which way we fly west anyway. And it's the highest point next to climbing a little hill up there. That's too much work. So we got the birds sitting in there. I did fly the birds yesterday from 30 miles. I could not find a good spot to let them out with. So I did let them out. They did beat me home. I just said, hell, I'm just gonna have to jump up to 35 just because I need some space. I can't be fighting inside power lines and stuff. So the next few spaces from now all the way up to 70 miles, I'm not gonna have no more power lines. I got spaces that I go to all the time going out that far, so it shouldn't be a problem. Special shouts out to everybody who commented on my video about the antenna on my kit, B-Rod and a lot of other fellas. I appreciate your input on that, because I honestly didn't know. After dropping almost $1,000 for a clock, I was expecting the clock to the damn cut on for me by itself, but it didn't. Okay, we had the birds sitting for a while. Also, a special shout out to 808 Dominic D&M Lost in Hawaii on the Big Island, and of course our Hawaiian family, you know, Sean, Aloha Pigeons, and Antonio. Appreciate y'all commenting on the videos all the time. And the Beta Whisperer, HB, Hawaiian Brian. We haven't seen him in a while. I haven't heard from him in a while. But yo, enough talking. Let's get the birds out on the glide path. We know they're supposed to go that way, but let's see what they're gonna do. I still got 36. Here we go. One of my grizzles went, see him? The grizzle is over there, and the group is over there. Looks like he's gonna catch him. I don't know where the damn bird's at now. Oh, there you go. He's back in the group. This is 35 miles, fellas. I got a straggler. It is a silver, the one that's been beating everybody home. Now I know that's the right way. Yeah. All right, I don't see him no more. I'll call home sometime today and ask my wife, are they on the back? They already got their feeds set up and everything. I made a video yesterday. It cut off early, so I didn't even bother. I'm just gonna delete it. All right, comment, subscribe, Do what you do. Peace.